Hi besties, welcome back to the channel. Today I have 5 remote job opportunities for you. The first one is customer service agent, finance graduate, Google Ads specialist freelance, onboarding specialist, and client success associates. Some of them are entry levels and they are hiring globally. Wherever you are, you can definitely apply for these jobs. So they are currently hiring. These jobs were currently advertised, so you can apply immediately after watching this video. Make sure you have your CV, maybe your cover letter, and everything you need to apply for these jobs. Alright, so I'm going to take you to my screen and show you the jobs so you can send in your application. If today is your first time, I share videos about remote job opportunities, how to make money online from anywhere, and all those kind of good stuff. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like, comment and share. Drop a comment with your occupation so that I can bring more videos tailored to your occupation. Okay, let's get started. Now the first job we're looking at is customer service agent, and it was advertised by One Pilot. One Pilot is an innovative company specializing in outsourcing customer support. Okay, as a One Pilot agent, you'll be their agent, but you're going to be a freelance. You'll be in charge of helping their clients, consumers, with their requests. After completing e-learning trainings on your customers, you will have access to a knowledge base for each of them, the One Pilot technology, and this knowledge base will enable you to respond effectively to their clients' user requests coming in via email, chat, or call. You work from home and will be paid for each ticket solved. The price of each ticket depends on the ticket's complexity, handling time, and your location. It varies between 40 euro cents to 2 euros. On average, their agents earn between 7 euros and 15 euros an hour based on their location. So if you're comfortable with new technologies, you like solving problems, you're curious about dynamic, you enjoy communicating, written and spoken communication, you are available at least 20 hours a week, you can apply for this one. So to apply for it, click on this apply button, click I'm ready, then it lands you on this page. You select your English level, click on let's go. Before you start, you enter your email address. So don't worry, I'll leave the link for you guys in the description. Moving on to job number 2, finance graduate, remote work from anywhere. Okay, work from anywhere. Diversity is at the heart of who they are at Xapo Bank. They are fully distributed team of over 130 Zapians that work remotely from 30 plus countries around the world. So let's just go to what they do. So they're looking for individuals that are at the start of their working life, looking to propel their careers and make an impact in the fintech, banking, and blockchain space. As part of their innovative business, you will embark on a journey of professional growth, tackling real-world exchanges and shaping the future of banking, from collaborating with top-tier professionals in this country. Position overview: they're seeking for a motivated analytical finance graduate with an interest in digital assets and crypto banking. This is a chance to launch your career at a leading financial institution exploring blockchain and cryptocurrency. You're going to gain hands-on experience in critical finance function. For responsibilities: financial reporting and analysis. You will assist in the preparation of accurate and timely financial reports, including daily, weekly, and monthly management information, reconciliation and control, regulatory compliance, data management and blockchain analytics, process improvement. Skills needed: you must be a recent graduate or final year student in finance, accounting, or related field, genuine interest in financial services, fintech, and/or cryptocurrency, eagerness to learn and grow in a fast-paced, dynamic environment, etc. Other requirements: a dedicated workspace, a reliable internet connection with the fastest speed possible in your area. Why work for them? Shape the future. Great work-life balance, expects excellence. So to apply for this, you're going to click on You see the application button down below here. You apply with your first name, last name, your country of origin. You can see that they are allowing people to apply from anywhere. Nigeria is here. Apply, you can attach your CV so you can autofill your information or you enter it manually like this. Okay. You need a cover letter, then put your country of residence and your nationality and submit application for this one. This is entry-level position for those in their last year of uni or recent graduates. And the third job on the list is Google Ads Specialist, freelance remote. This is a premium home furnishings retailer based in Canada, known for curated European and Canadian designer brands and top-rated customer service. All right, they're looking for a Google Ads specialist to build campaigns from the ground up, own the strategy end to end, and drive measurable performance improvements. You will receive high-level direction and business goals, then translate them into a strategic roadmap. For skills, they need hands-on Google Ads management, building campaigns from scratch, demonstrated ability to operate independently, proficiency in GA4 and Google Tag Manager, etc. You need your own computer, internet connection, at least 40 Mbps speed, headset with an extended mic that has noise cancellation and a webcam, backup computer and internet connection, quiet dedicated workspace at home. So that is just all you need. Working hours is 40 hours a week. The position is remote. You must have a reliable internet connection. They are paying $7 per hour. You work Monday to Friday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. US time zone. So you can check that out in your own time zone. To apply, click on apply button. It brings you here. You then apply using your details. Select your country. Let me see if I've got Nigeria on the list. Yes, Nigeria is there. So you can apply from anywhere. Attach your CV, answer these questions here, and submit, okay, if you're interested. And the fourth job is onboarding specialist. We said we dream big, we love food, we are building the next generation of marketing software. Our mission is to help the lifeblood of our community, small businesses, specifically local restaurants and bars. They are looking for onboarding team. Onboarding team is the backbone of the company, ensuring that all of our thousands of customers are happy, see value in the service, and most importantly, see a ton more revenue. They're looking for new team members. So they're not just hiring for one person, they're looking for new team members who are friendly, high empathy, and high energy. What you will do, you will handle all aspects of onboarding process for 10 to 15 new customers each month, conduct demos of the platform and answer questions, schedule photo shoots, work with the customer and design team and new website. What they offer is $25 an hour, hourly rate plus commission, ability to earn bonuses for achieving certain metrics, health insurance, fun games for extra incentives and bonuses, relaxed and casual yet energetic startup environment. So read through the job requirements and you can apply here straightforward. You can attach your CV, upload from Dropbox, Google Drive, or you enter it manually, attach your cover letter and submit straight away. And the last job is Client Success Associate. This is entry-level remote. They will review your application against their job requirements. They do not employ machine learning technologies during this phase as they believe every human deserves attention from another human. They do not think machines can evaluate your application quite like they are seasoned recruiting professionals. Every person is unique. They promise to give your candidacy a fair and detailed assessment. They may invite you to submit a video interview for the review of the hiring manager. The video interview is often followed by a test or short project that allows them to determine whether you will be a good fit for the team. And then at this point, they will invite you to interview with their hiring manager and or the interview team. Please note they do not conduct interviews via text, Telegram, etc., etc., and they never hire anyone into their organization without having met you face-to-face on or via Zoom. You will be invited to come to a live meeting or Zoom where you will meet their infused team. Are you driven by the desire to deliver exceptional client experiences and thrive in a dynamic environment? You can check them out This will be your key responsibilities: build and maintain strong, long-lasting client relationships, etc. Proven track record of managing client relationships, preferably in a related field such as hospitality, client success or sales, strong communication and interpersonal skills. And if you're passionate about building meaningful relationships and delivering top-notch client experiences, they would love to hear from you. Application process is still very straightforward like this. Choose your country, resume, current location, and put every detail they ask of and submit your application. Okay, besties, 5 remote jobs you can apply right now if you're interested in working remotely. The first one we looked at was customer service agent. We looked at finance graduate. This one is entry level. They're looking for students who are in their final year of university or those who recently graduated. Okay, and Google Ads specialist is on freelance base, and onboarding specialist, the same thing. We also looked at client success associate, which is entry level position as well. And the best part is that you can apply from any location. They are hiring worldwide, remote based. So you need your CV, you need a cover letter, you need a laptop, because I see a lot of you say you don't have laptop. You need a laptop, you need internet connection with a good speed. Yes, a good speed internet connection to get started. You need a noise cancellation headphone, and you need a quiet place in your house, a quiet place in your room to take up these jobs. So go ahead and apply. I'll leave the 5 links in the description. Feel free to apply if you're interested, but don't forget to drop me your occupation in the comments so that I can bring jobs that are specifically for you in my next video. Okay, I need 5 people to drop me their occupation, then I'll get you a job that you can apply to in my next video. So this week we're going to be showing you guys current jobs hiring. So drop your occupation and I'll be bringing you current jobs hiring for the day so you can apply. That is what we're going to do this week. Thank you so much everyone for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up, share it with someone, drop a comment with your occupation, and subscribe if you're just joining me for the first time. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next one.